We have a Suzuki Turbo F Sport Lexus. And that's your brother's car, right?
It's a Swift. Yeah.
Nice.
It's called a Swift, but he has some different badging on it.
Yeah, we're gonna put him on blast. Here we go, the largest liquor store in the country. It's 2 floors. We're gonna go check it out right now. That's awesome. And it's such a big store. They have like valet parking here. People valet their cars to come to a liquor store, man. It's crazy. Oh yeah. That is right. There's a second floor. Oh, there are wines up here. Ah. All their wines. Hello. This is my first phone call in India. So the metro is not done yet. They're still building it, but everything is concrete because wood's very expensive here. So everything in India is poured concrete, pretty much. There we go. We're back at the Driven Cafe. This is the main one, right? Yeah. So in my vlog, my first day here, we went to the other Driven, and now we're here. That is a ramp to get into the window. The controls are right there. You can probably activate it right now. Oh yeah, this is right up my alley. So these are the 2 brew tanks right here, and these are 10,000 hectoliters per one, so it's 30,000, 60,000, 70, 80. So copper tanks, guys, are really hard to find, as we learned from the some other brewery tours I've done. That's very cool. It's all the same, man, across the world. How they make beer, all piped up to the bars. Like it's awesome. This is right up my alley, man. This is like right up my alley. I like it. That's right. There's a Jeep hanging right in the middle of the bar.
Up in different colors, flames and waves and whatnot.
Ah, this is so cool. Partying above the city. Phone break. Alright, so they brew beer here, so we're doing a full flight, and we have a cool little cart that comes in so we can drive it around the table if you want. And they said here's the wheat, the strong, which is don't go home. Then we have stout, lager, pilsner, and then the fruit beer. Alright. And here we are, playing some PUBG. Some PUBG. Oh. There you go, boys and girls. There's a house built like a diamond. Look at that. It's hard to see in the video, but there it is. It looks like a diamond. What the hell, man? Too much money. It's hard to see on video. Maybe come back in the daytime, we'll see it. Holy crap, that's cool.
हसीब को फोन करके बोल दो.
Yo! What's up? Yo, what's up?
मैं ड्राइव कर रहा हूँ ना, कॉल करता हूँ मैं.
Your brother is a madman. Look at this. Oh, he indicated. What the hell? I didn't think indicators existed here in India. It's my first time seeing one.
Is he?
Oh, he's indicating still. What the? Sorry, we don't give to beggars. Sorry.
Yeah.
Don't For all the homies. See ya.
That's called towing here. Let's take a shot of that.
So yeah, here we go, guys. Once the camera focuses, we have one bike pushing another with their foot, and they'll go like this for miles. For miles. Look at this, hilarious. This is so nice. It's so busy. Where's it gonna go? Like, where's it gonna go?
We're gonna stop by the side.
See, one thing about Hyderabad is really weird, or India for me, is that it's just like guys. Guys everywhere. Just men. Men. Sausage Fest, Hyderabad.
Get as much footage as you can.
I'm right, the battery's almost dead. Oh man, it's so cool though. We're like old Hyderabad now, like the old city. Like, look at all the wires up there.
Save the battery. I'll tell you when to shoot.
Welcome to old Hyderabad. See, the other lane's on the other side of this divider, and there's still bikes coming towards us. Look at this. There you go, the Charminar in Hyderabad. All the photos of the building are like this, because if you look down here, it's like this. It's like